Action.
Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers. I don't know if we're making a mistake right now. Me and Trappy were just sitting down having lunch, and we don't have a car to build. So I think right now we found something on OfferUp. We are driving. It's about an hour away in Long Island. So
You know I'm lowballing. It's
it's OfferUp. We're lowballing. We're coming with short change. Short change.
yeah, we ain't got all that.
So this vlog right here might be showing you the next build. Like, comment, subscribe. I got my seatbelt on too. Relax, YouTube police.
Word.
All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi. Action.
We just passed Beachmont Lake, Trap.
Yeah, I love Beachmont Lake. It's good in the spring.
Something about that place. We're actually headed right now to Enthusiast Auto Works. We are going to pick up the dealer plate off of Kobe. So if we do like this car that we're going to look at, it's an hour away. We don't want to waste time, right, Trap?
Yeah.
Put the dealer plate on there, make the deal, offer up.
Offer up.
And if we like it, we take it home. Because
We're fucking bored.
I realized something, Trap. Wow, that's a nice house.
Yeah.
Our lives ain't shit without building. I didn't know what. I don't know.
Yeah,
This
we
week
mad
has
boring.
been, this week is awful. I'm just looking forward to Guncast Friday.
Word.
I must have cleaned the shop 14 times for no reason.
Nothing's been going on.
Nothing's going on. I hosed it off. I started wiping down old tools.
Going through the drawers.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I've really talked to myself a few times like, yo, bro, you have no life, man.
Yeah, nah.
We were supposed to go on vacation too. Remember after the Kobe build?
Yeah.
That
Convid doing that.
Convid, man. Alright, we stopped here at Enthusiast. We had to fix up that front lip. It had a little spider crack on one side. But real quick, most importantly, Trappy, we got the plate. Yes, sir. So Kobe will get finished up in there. We're about to cross the good thing we ate. Because
we're not gonna be near Pasha, right?
No, and we're not gonna be near CT, thank God though.
Thank God.
This highway is awful.
Yeah.
I hate this highway, man. This is the reason I don't come to Long Island.
You know what's the worst part? Don't got no backwoods. God damn it. God
Bro,
damn
I
it.
saw you in here with two skimpy ass bags.
Nah, they not skimpy.
Yeah, those weren't no pillows, dope.
No
Those
backwoods,
weren't no
man.
pillows, yo. Alright, I got you. First gas station I see.
Nah, someone in here's got backwoods.
Somebody in this road?
Yeah.
Yo, you got backwood, yo!
Yo, you trust this shithole bridge with those telephone poles holding it up? This is crazy, Trap.
No. Did I mention how much I hate this highway?
Yo, we've been here for 15 minutes, moved 400 feet.
No, literally 1 mile. Right there, 1 mile. I started recording when it was 15 miles.
Yo, still not a damn backwood out here.
Yo,
man.
Trap, remember that story you told me about the traffic jam in what, China or Japan? That was 12 days?
Yeah, China.
Guys, they had a traffic jam in China for 12 days.
12 days. No accident either.
No accident. Like, what do you say to yourself, like, on day 3?
Yo.
Yo, how long you been here? Oh, man. I'm on my 9th day here.
Imagine that, Trap. Not being able to, 12 days.
That's a
Now,
bid.
you make friends out there and
That's
everything.
a bid.
Yeah.
That's a bid. That's a bid.
What you doing? Nah, nothing.
Somebody definitely got married. Like somebody found.
They found love
They found
in
their.
traffic.
They found their soulmate at a 12-day traffic jam.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Day 8, I knew she was the one.
Day 8 of the traffic jam.
She was the one.
She had me at. How long you been here?
And I always carry my mom's ring, so it felt right.
Yeah. I got my mom's wedding ring. She gave me at prom.
Yo, another one. Look at that telephone post holding it up. This is a shithole, Trap. Get us out of here.
Yeah.
Get us out of
Something's
here.
funny about Long Island.
Yeah, come on.
Something's funny about Long Island.
Yo, is this the only highway that gets us here? We should have took a ferry or something.
On the fit. Let me ask.
See if you got a backwood.
Yo! You got a backwood? Cigar. Nope. Time. Look at these idiots. Look at this. Look at this.
There's no traffic.
There's no traffic.
Still didn't get a backwood, guys.
And we've been looking since mile marker 118. We're on 240. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo, I ain't gonna hold you, Trap. Mile markers are genius.
Yeah.
Cause you could be like, yo, I'm on the highway, I'm stuck. Alright, where are you at? I'm right here. I can't see the exit.
I'm gonna tell you something, though, Trap.
Mile marker.
Yeah, but
That's genius. Whoever made that up.
6 out of 10 people don't know what a mile marker is and can't even read it if they seen it.
Yeah.
Imagine you call your lady, hey babe, what mile marker you at? You think she go? You think she's gonna hit you with the? I'm at 179 southbound.
Going south.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you my locations. What I'm gonna do?
Word. Now I'd rather chase the thrill of like trying to find a mile marker. Don't send me your location. I like it. Okay. 1180. Okay.
All right, we're getting.
Okay, we're getting close. Okay, 11801. Okay. Okay, where we at? Okay.
The excitement, the thrill of adventure. You know?
That doesn't exist no more, man.
Yo, is he supposed to be on here? Trailer? They allow trailers on here?
Never took you for a snitch, Trap.
Nah. I'm just saying, if it would have been us, they would have crucified us.
Never took you for a snitch.
Nah,
I ain't seen nothing.
Good response.
I ain't seen nothing, officer.
Good response. You gonna pull it on him?
Ah, come on.
Y'all wanna see this? 600 feet.
Yeah.
We ain't going in there yet.
I'm coming in hot too, man.
Yo,
That's a lease. That's what they not remembering.
600 feet.
That's what they not remembering.
70 feet.
Hold on,
70.
Oh! Look at that. Just save 30 minutes. Just save 30 minutes.
Yeah. Trap.
There's no traffic.
Trap, you pulled it at like 20 feet left.
Get in there hot, man.
That's a nice unit right there.
Yeah, that's a good looking car.
Yep, 6 minutes away. 5.
2,000 years later. We're here. Cash is king, my friend. Oh, exit 40. Oh boy. 800 feet. 800 feet.
800 feet.
800. How you grab your phone, Trap?
Nah,
you grab your phone.
Nah, cause I didn't.
Yeah, that's a nice unit, man.
Nah, it is. Those Infinities are nice. Underrated.
Yo,
cars.
guys, in the comments, real quick, are you tired of white letters on tires?
Oh, I'm fucking.
I'm over them, Trap. I just want to know what my people are saying.
Nah. We pulling up to my spot. Okay.
We should pull over and take a picture for IG.
Yeah.
And be like,
in front of right here.
Next car.
Yeah, next car. We got it.
Next car.
Big shout out to the guy that said our next build was a 91 Honda Accord.
Shout out to the gunners that said we're getting a Honda Beat. You guys will listen. The comments right now, my brothers and sisters, listen to me, are all wrong. Not one person has correctly even guessed remotely close.
Not even remotely.
Not
even
tell
a
you
neighborhood.
guys, when you see the car, not even remotely close. But I'll tell you this. We've been planning this for this chassis a month now. Watch this.
Yo, there's backwards in there for sure. There's gotta be backwards in there.
Speedway. I'm not gonna lie to you, Trap. That's a real cheap price. It's real cheap price for fuel in New York. 209.
Yeah. Shit, that means their backwards are probably stale. No one
would come here for backwards.
Okay.
Got the falouche.
Most importantly, I got the backward.
Got the backwood, got the falouche. Let's go wait for this douche over here.
Yo, worst rap I ever seen. Worst rap I ever seen. Worst rap I ever seen.
What the hell was that? Wowzers.
All right, Trap, serious time. Keep it $1 million with me. I know you wouldn't lie to me. Did you ever do 17s in the back and steelies in the front? Yes or no? Be honest. We listen.
Never.
Never?
Yeah, that was Gunner Red. Gunner Red had 18-inch TSWs in the rear and 13-inch steelies in the front.
Did he have good tires on the steelies?
No.
Oh, Trappy, half a mile away.
Yeah, I want to say something real important to you guys, all right? This car that we're about to pick up is going to confuse you by a lot. All I'm saying is, you guys have been through all these builds with us. I'm pretty sure you understand how detailed we are, how clean we work, and how different we are, right? All I'm saying is, Gunners, just trust us. Just trust us, and that's it.
Oh, I'm not showing it, but what's up? You see it.
Oh, it's clean, Trap. So far, so good. Let's see.
Okay.
Alright, okay. Let's see what's going on.
Let me see.
Let's see, man.
Okay, it's good in there. Yo, I'm ready.
Okay, Gunners, there you have it, man. We're in negotiations for this 2004 RX-8. We want to try something different. I just test drove the car. Isn't the fastest thing I've ever driven. As a matter of fact, it drives like shit, Trap. We're going to have to do a lot of work to this car. Suspension-wise, we're going to have to change a lot of things. I don't want to give away too much information yet, but this car is in awful shape. It looks decent, but it drives like crap. So he's thinking about the price that we're offering him now, and we'll see what happens from there. But we are about to enter the rotary world. What do you think, Trap? Yeah, I know. So yeah, we made the deal with my man over here. That's it, guys. We are officially Mazda owners, Trappy.
Mo.
Chacho, cabrón. So a little suicide door action here.
Yeah, it's a Wraith.
Yeah, it's a Wraith. It's a Wraith, it's a Wraith. Oh man, this thing was riced out, boys. Look at the floor, man. It's this guy behind me. Yo, Trap, this guy's a ricer.
I could tell by his shoes.
Yo, this previous owner was a ricer. How close is he from behind me?
He's about 6 feet. I hope nobody sees me in this thing right now. And we're already in traffic. Already in traffic. Trappy.
How was that ride?
I mean,
it looks good driving.
Yeah, no,
it looks good driving. How was the ride?
I mean, it was alright. It definitely needs our touch.
Huh?
It definitely needs our touch.
Yeah.
100%.
That shift knob was shaky, huh?
Oh, the shift knob. And then I found out
We gotta get some
that
gas in this unit.
yo, then I found out that look, that's
Why you
all.
open the gas on this unit?
There's no button. Yo, hold up, real quick.
Watch your foot right here.
That's all Teflon. They tried the Teflon to fill that in. Alright, Trap. Let's hear it. What are we naming this hot boy?
Can't name it yet because we got to come up with the game plan. But I've got a couple of theories in my head. I don't know. You want to wrap this video up now, Trap?
Yeah, I want to get home and figure out what's up with this thing for sure.
All right. I don't know. Give us some ideas. So it's red. It's almost like a Milano red. We're thinking of going with like a red and bronze theme for the rims, or red or black. What do you want us to do? You want us to turbo this motor? I don't know. Hey, look, leave a comment. Leave a comment. All I'm saying is trust us, right? That's all I'm saying. Like, comment, subscribe. We love you guys, man. Try to do a burnout. Oh my God. Try harder. Oh my God. This thing's a turd, Trav.
Who's the asshole that put this low power rotary together?
Oh my God. Good night.